Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for my new subscribers, my name is Inyamaka Eleche, and also to my old subscribers, thank you so much for always viewing my channel. So on today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my efo-riro. But before then, I'm going to show you how I prepared my meat. So I'm going to be putting up the clip now, and I'll be back. Thank you guys. I already washed my meat and added onion and pepper. Now I'm adding my garlic also. So I'm just going to allow the juice from the meat to come out. I'm not going to be adding any water now, just the juice from the meat to come out. So I'm going to be adding my seasoning cube. I'm also going to be adding salt to taste. I'm going to cover it and allow it to steam up. So here guys, the water, as you can see, the juice from the meat is already out. So I'm just going to be adding a little more water so that the meat can be well cooked. So welcome back guys. So now I'm going to start by adding my oil. I'm just going to bleach it out a little bit. So I'm also going to be adding my chopped onion. I'm going to allow that to sit in while I cut out my spinach. So I'm going to be using the chopped spinach, guys. Some people prefer to cut theirs, but this is what is readily available for me now. This is what I'm going to be using. While I'm going to put it in here, so I'm going to allow that to sit out while I chop up on my onion. So now I'm going to be adding my iru. That's what we call locust beans. I'm also going to be adding my fish. So I'm just going to allow that to steam up a little bit while I wash out my spinach leaf. I'm going to show you guys how. Just going to squeeze out the water because I like my vegetable very dry. So I'll allow that. So now I'm gonna be adding my pepper. I already blended it, so I like my pepper chopped like this. I don't like it blended all through, so I blended it like I chopped it out. So I'm gonna be adding it now into the pot. I'm gonna stir everything together. And cover, and I'm gonna allow it now to cook. So guys, this is what the pepper is looking like now. Just giving it a very good stir. So I'm gonna be adding my one, and that's it. So I'm also gonna be adding my onga classic. I'm gonna stir it up. So I'm checking up on the pepper now. I'm gonna be adding my meat. And also my vegetable, my chopped leaf. I'll be adding salt to this. I'm gonna give it a very good stir. Look at the color, guys. So guys, while that is cooking, so for all those who is watching, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the notification button for update on yummy and sumptuous meal. So for my new subscribers too, please hit the subscribe button. Yummy, guys. I'm gonna give it just one last stir. So guys, you can have this vegetable sauce with either rice, yam, or even plantain too. So I'm gonna be having mine with pounded yam. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and see you in my next video. So, and also if you're going to be recreating this dish, please don't forget to send me a picture of it, either on my Instagram handle or on my Facebook page. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.